Hello everybody and welcome to my PowerPoint presentation. I don't often do PowerPoint presentations, but this topic has kind of urged me to do it, because I see a lot of our youth devoted to harming themselves, and I'm here to give you and them reasons to smoke or not to. So let's get going. Number 1. Cigarettes appear to have had antecedents in Mexico and Central America around the 9th century in the form of reeds and smoking tubes. And you can see a map. Next. Smoking kills. So if you're depressed or suicidal, consider smoking. You can see a red skull to emphasize the danger. 3. Cigarettes helped Christopher Columbus discover the Americas, build the Statue of Liberty, and construct the Empire State Building. Without Americans, we would not have had companies like BMW and Mercedes. That was number 3, now we are at number 4. Mr. Trump does not smoke, and you want to try and dissociate yourself from him, so you don't be like him. Always remember OMB, which stands for Orange Man Bad. 5. This is a picture of David Blaine, the famous actor from the movie The Hangover. 6. Thanks. Next. The end. To be continued. I hope I helped you. Bye.